Hey there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. Welcome in this new video. This month, I'm participating to a drawing challenge, the Jolimé Drawing Challenge. So for this first week, I picked 3 prompts which are aquatic, crown and compose. I decided to use my Posca pen, which are acrylic-based markers, and the A6 format for my paper. Before starting to do my illustration, I did a color chart to see how I could associate the different colors that I have. The constraint of having restricted color palette is helping me a lot because I can focus on the composition and the contrasts and way less on the colors. I'm doing a sketch directly on my paper and I'm doing a color sketch on my iPad with Procreate. On my iPad, I can try as many color combinations that I want and I can make up my mind before actually start my illustration on paper. I did that for the 3 illustrations of this week and I started to draw. Let's talk a bit about the Jolimé challenge. This challenge was created on Instagram by La Ville et les Nuages, another French illustrator, and I was really interested by the prompts. I won't draw every day of the challenge because it's too much for me, but I selected 18 prompts that I will try to do. It means that I have 3 to 4 illustrations to do every week during May. I like this kind of challenges because it sets up some goals that boost my creativity, and I also like the fact that it's pushing me to do a series of illustrations that works well together. I always find it easier to imagine an illustration from a brief or a prompt than to start from a blank page. Of course, it's not that easy, but it allows you to start from somewhere. I also like the fact that it gives me a rhythm, but it's also something that could be complicated to deal with, especially if you don't have any time planned in your agenda. Most of the time, I'm trying to set up a moment in my planning where I will be able to work on this challenge like any other project. And most important, I'm trying to have fun and to explore some new things. And that's it for this week. Thank you for keeping me company. I hope that you liked the result as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!